welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. So by the way, by title itself, it's already clear कि आज की वीडियो में we are going to talk about Miniso. So there are some things which I'm totally dependent from getting from Miniso, and including your makeup and small little things जो मतलब we go to other places and get it, but from Miniso we can get it at a very good price, and that too you're going to be dependent on those products because the quality is too good. So I have already tried, so I'm going to tell you about those products, so you do not have to go for the selection. Already you have to just go and select the right product, which I'm going to tell you in this video. So let's get started, but before that, if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe. So let's go for it. Okay, so first let's start with the makeup brushes. Yes, sahi suna. We can also get makeup brushes from Miniso. So मतलब I've been using these makeup brushes from a long time from Miniso, और ये brushes these are very good. मतलब I always get them, I use them, और मुझे लगता ही नहीं कि I need to switch it to another brand. So let me show you those brushes. ये तीन brushes हैं which I get from Miniso always. So the first one is this contour brush, and it's very nice. I got it for around 250 or 300 between. बहुत time हो गया मुझे इसे लिए हुए, तो मुझे exact rate याद नहीं है, but it was between 250 and 300. So if I compare these brushes with other brands, so they are really cheap and they are really good. The quality is very good. Second is this one. This is the blush brush, and I got it for 190. 190? Yeah, right, 190, and it's really good. Or the third one is this blending brush. So इस blending brush में तीन brushes हैं for the blending, and I got it for 490. 490 sounds ज़्यादा, but it's really cheap जब आप किसी और brand के brushes लेते हैं तो. So going to like these brushes a lot. I'm going to suggest these three brushes. Or that's it for the makeup brushes. Move to the next item. So before we start unpacking this, मैं बस ये कहना चाहती हूँ कि there are very good Minisos in Delhi NCR, but कुछ Minisos ऐसे हैं जो छोटे हैं, जिन पे सारा प्रोडक्ट नहीं मिल पाएगा जो मैं बताने वाली हूँ. So I prefer, अगर आप Miniso जाना चाहते हैं तो go to लाजपत वन और GK वन. इसमें I think जो Miniso है वो 2 या 3 फ्लोर्स का है, and you get all the items at one place. But if I go to DLF जो मॉल में है, नोएडा वाले मॉल में, it's very small, and most of the places में Miniso छोटा ही है, तो you cannot get all the items at one place. So go लाजपत वाले में या GK वाला, he is the only one I'm going to suggest. So let's go for the second one. Okay, so मैं जब भी Miniso गई हूँ ना, I don't know, I have just crazy feeling for these diaries. It's not from Miniso, ये तो मैं कहीं भी जाती हूँ I always pick up. मुझे जहाँ cute diaries मिलती हैं I pick it up. So this one is from Miniso. I got it for ₹100, and this is my craziness. The next item, oh my god, मतलब ये कुछ ऐसी चीज़ है जो मतलब मैं कभी किसी और ब्रांड पे जा ही नहीं सकती. I love it. So this is body mist. I only go to Miniso for body mist, और मैंने almost हर fragrance try कर लिया है. This one is my favorite, that is Ocean Kiss. So if you are going to Miniso for body mist, I will always suggest you this one. Okay, blue color one. Let's move to the next item. Okay, so Miniso have a very great collection of water bottles. So I also have some craziness for these bottles, cute bottles. So I got this bottle recently. इससे पहले भी मैंने bottles and small bottles और ये mugs वगैरह लिए हैं. I'm going to show you that mug in a while. But yeah, this bottle you can get it for around नहीं, this is for 200, exact 200. So you can get these cute bottles. इसमें इतनी variety है ना, and this is not plastic, this is glass. So you're going to like it so much. I love it. I can carry my coffee in this. Now, okay, and important thing, see, we all use this perfume. एक ही perfume से हम बहुत जल्दी बोर हो जाते हैं, मतलब मैं तो हो जाती हूँ. तो we need a collection of perfumes कि we can switch and use them. So I can suggest you this one, that is Night's Tale. It's short, कहीं भी मेरे बैग में आ जाता है, ज़्यादा बड़ी बॉटल नहीं है, cute है, कैरी है, और it's also not very expensive. 360 परफ्यूम के फ्रेगनेंस बहुत अच्छी है. आई हैव टेस्टेड, आई हैव यूज्ड इट, सो आई कैन शो यू माई लास्ट पैकेज ऑल्सो, बट उसके लिए मुझे उठना पड़ेगा, तो प्लीज मान लो. I use perfumes from Miniso. Okay, and the last item for today is this one. Can you see this mug? मतलब मेरे पास बहुत सारा collection है mugs का, but this one is always my favorite. मतलब I got this one from GK वाले Miniso से. They have a great collection of these mugs and bottles. और इसके अंदर मतलब इसका शेप और कलर दिख रहे हो, एंड इट इज जस्ट फॉर ₹200. आई मीन आई जस्ट लव इट. मतलब मेरी मोस्ट हमेशा जो प्रेफरेंस रहती है ना मग के लिए वो हमेशा ये रहती है. सो दैट्स इट फॉर दिस वीडियो. आई होप आई हैव शोन यू ऑल द प्रोडक्ट्स जिसके लिए मैं मैंने वो प्रोडक्ट्स आपको भी दिखाए हैं जो मैंने पहली बार नहीं, जो मैं लेती रहती हूँ, एंड आई एम बीइंग डिपेंडेंट ऑन दोज प्रोडक्ट्स. सो आई होप अगर नेक्स्ट टाइम आपको भी कोई बॉडी मिस्ट या मेकअप ब्रशेज या मग्स, ग्लासेस, बॉटल्स लेना चाहें तो just go explore to the mini. That's it for this video. If you like it, make sure to comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.